Let's hop back into it. So if you look down at the bottom, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to create a course on how to start an Airbnb business from complete scratch. And also I'm going to ask it, please include an outline and module. Now this took less than 3 seconds. ChatGPT created an entire course with the description and the title. It's got me an outline and it has all the way up to 14 modules with bullet points. So we're just getting started. Next, we're going to ask ChatGPT to create a script for every module. The same thing once again down below. I'm going to put down create a script for module 1 and press enter. And as you can see, it's creating a script right now, right in front of our very eyes. Now, real quick, I want you to understand we have this script, but we're not going to be creating our own videos. We're going to take this same script and we're going to upload it into another AI software that's going to create the videos for us. Now, the next step after that is you want to ask ChatGPT to create a script for each and every one of the following modules. So we just did module 1, so do module 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. Now, just in case you don't like something in the scripts, you can always go back and ask ChatGPT to make some changes. And once you have your outline complete with the scripts and the modules, we're going to go to a website called Heygen.com. Now, this is the website where we're going to take our scripts and our modules and build our entire course using AI technology. Now, if you want to follow with me along, I'll leave the link down in the description. You can just click that and it'll bring you to this page and create your free account. Now, once you create your free account, it's going to lead you inside the back office and it should look something like this. So once you get here, the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to pick our avatar. So over here to your left, you're going to come over to where it says avatar. Now, there's a lot of different ones to choose from, all different nationalities and genders and even different types of clothes they're wearing. So in case you just want to just see how they sound, all you would have to do is just click on the video and then a window is going to pop up and you press play and you can
Welcome
kind of
to
get
the
a
new
look
era
and
of
feel
video
how they
creation with
are.
Heygen.